Alright, let's get into SpaceJam. Given a string, remove all spaces from the string, insert 2 spaces between every character, convert all alphabetical letters to uppercase, and return the results. Our condition: non-alphabetical characters should remain unchanged except for spaces. This should be an interesting one. So let's start with the design. Should I use flowchart or pseudocode? Let me just use the pseudocode just because of time, so I'm not spending too much. So we want to have a begin and our end. There we go. So it says given a string, so we're going to impute a string. So impute string. Remove all spaces from the string. Insert. So we want to trim the string. Then we want to insert 2 spaces between every character. So probably want to break the characters up, and insert 2 spaces between each one. Convert all characters to uppercase. Convert all characters into uppercase. So this is a condition. So non-alphabetical characters should remain unchanged. That's probably going to be fine because uppercase doesn't affect them anyway, except for spaces. So I just say leave characters the same. Remove spaces from string. Okay, so that's pseudocode. So we're going to impute the string, trim the string, which means remove the space from either end, break the characters up and insert 2 spaces between each one, convert all characters into uppercase, leave characters the same, remove spaces from string. I think I should move this up before we convert. I think I should make this a separate command. So insert. That's right at the end. So we're going to insert spaces between each one at the end. Alright, that's pseudocode. So let's actually create the code for this program and let's start our timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. So we want to remove all space from the string. So string. Equals to should go to insert space between each one. SpaceJam, freeCodeCamp. Also test. Okay, so it's working so far. I like this add spaces now. So Yes, yes. Less than 5 minutes as well. Come on, come on. So we did that less than 5 minutes. So what I literally did here was, so I trimmed the string, which removes the space from the start and the end for examples like these ones that have spaces in the front and back. So remove the spaces there. Then I turned it to uppercase as well, so that everything's in uppercase like it said it should be. Then I try to replace, so what this means, this is a regex class, that means that it checks for spaces. So any kind of space or line breaks, it will check for it and then it will replace it with this empty space. So it just takes away any space. The reason why I put plus is so that it will take any space that it sees that is one or more. So it takes it and then replaces it. The reason why I didn't work before is because I didn't put it all. So it only replaced the first one. So when I put it all, replace every space there. And the error it showed before is because there was no G. So this replace all only works when you have a global regex. So to do that, you have to put a G at the end. So that's why it got all the space and then replace them with the empty space. And then I split the array. I split the string into an array. Then I join them out together using two spaces so that it can add two spaces between each character in the array. So that's why it works out. So this is only 6 lines of code. Let me see if I could actually first. I think if I take this and put it on the end of here, so I chain it. Yeah, it still works. So I can remove this entire line because I don't need this. If I add this as well, should work. So let me remove this. So return trimmed string. Let's just make this final string. So return final string. Damn. Wait, if I even take this and put it here. Damn. And if I remove this const and put return straight from here and take away this entire thing. Oh, no. If I remove this, don't need to define it. Damn. That's it. That's literally it. That's literally it. That's one line of code. That's one freaking line of code. Doing the damn thing, man. So that's the SpaceJam done. Literally took 5 minutes. Should take less than that. But yeah, we cracked it. And thank you for watching.